Delicious recipe for a chicken Parmesan sandwich. All the ingredients will be listed in the description below. First, tenderize the chicken. Season the breadcrumbs. Bread the chicken. Fry in extra virgin Italian olive oil. Stir the sauce. Organic Italian bread. Fry till golden brown. Add sauce. Add mozzarella cheese. Add Parmesan cheese. Add a touch of parsley. Delicious chicken Parmesan sandwich. Please like and subscribe. There's some other nice videos on our channel. Have a look around. We appreciate it. Have a good day.